Your appliances aren't failing by accident. Many are designed with shorter lifespans. Engineers call it value engineering, but for you, it's a cycle of replacement. Today, we uncover the secret history of planned obsolescence and how to break free. If you're tired of replacing things that should last decades, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dismantle the system together. Section 1. The Blueprint of Failure, the Phoebus Origin. To understand why modern life feels so expensive and fragile, we have to look at a secret meeting that changed capitalism forever. In January 1925, the world's leading light bulb manufacturers, including Philips, Osram, and General Electric, formed a cartel known as the Phoebus Cartel. At the time, engineering was advancing so quickly that light bulbs were lasting up to 2,500 hours, great for consumers, but terrible for repeat sales. If bulbs lasted too long, companies lost revenue. So they made a radical decision. They didn't agree to raise prices. They agreed to reduce durability. They standardized a life expectancy of 1,000 hours for bulbs and fined manufacturers whose bulbs lasted longer. They deliberately weakened the filament design to ensure repeat purchases. While the cartel eventually dissolved, the philosophy survived. Today, it isn't just light bulbs, it's nearly everything. Section 2. The Liquid Gold Trap, the Printer Racket. Let's look at one of the most aggressive modern examples, the home printer. Have you ever wondered why you can buy a brand new printer with a scanner and Wi-Fi for $49, but the ink cartridges cost $60? This is the razor and blade model taken to the extreme. The engineering of control. Microchips on cartridges prevent cheaper third-party ink. False empty readings. Many cartridges report empty while still containing 20 to 40% of their ink. Imagine if your car stopped driving when the gas tank was 20% full. That's how many printer models are designed to operate. The ink itself costs pennies to make, but is sold at prices that make it one of the most expensive liquids in the world, more costly per milliliter than luxury champagne. By designing machines to reject alternatives and misreport ink levels, companies turn a one-time purchase into ongoing costs. Section 3. The Plastic Gear Crisis, Appliances. The second major area where this hits your wallet is the kitchen and laundry room. Go to an antique store and look at a blender or mixer from the 1960s. It's heavy, built like a tank. Now compare it to the one you bought online last week. The shift. Modern appliances often replace steel gears with plastic ones. Steel gears can last 40 to 50 years. Plastic gears typically last 8 to 10 years. The cost. When that $2 gear strips, repair costs can reach $150 for labor and $200 for parts, because manufacturers often sell the entire assembly, not just the gear. The trap. Repair technicians often say it's cheaper to buy a new one, so you spend $800 on a replacement. Over 40 years, your grandmother bought one washing machine. You may buy 6. That's thousands of dollars transferred from families to corporations simply because of material downgrades. We're exposing the tricks companies use to keep you in a cycle of consumption. If you want to protect your money, hit that like button. It helps us fight back against the algorithm of waste. Section 4. The Glue Conspiracy, Right to Repair. In the tech world, obsolescence has shifted from materials to access. Companies like Apple and John Deere have made products increasingly difficult to repair. The tactics: proprietary screws, using pentalobe screws that standard tools can't open, glue over screws, batteries glued to the chassis, making replacement risky, part pairing. Even if you swap identical screens between iPhones, software may disable features like Face ID or True Tone. This limits ownership. If you cannot repair it, you truly don't own it. You're renting it until it fails. Smartphone batteries are consumables, typically lasting 2 to 3 years. By making them non-replaceable, companies create an expiration date on a $1,000 device, pushing you onto the upgrade treadmill.
Section 5. The Fast Fashion Decay.
Finally, let's talk about the clothes on your back. In the 1950s, U.S. households spent about 10% of their income on clothing. Today, clothing accounts for around 3% of household spending. We buy more items, but they last far less time. The fabric problem. Fast fashion brands often use short staple cotton and loose weaves. Short fibers pill and tear easily. Clothes are designed for short-term durability, to look good for a few wears, not to last. This reflects the boots theory of economics, popularized by Terry Pratchett. A rich person buys $200 boots that last 10 years. A poor person buys $50 boots that last 1 year. Over 10 years, the poor person spends $500 and still has worn-out boots, while the rich person spends $200 and has dry feet. Section 6. The Buy It for Life or BIFL solution. So how do you escape the Phoebus trap? Become a Buy It for Life investor. Treat assets as asset allocation, not just spending. Strategy 1. The commercial grade hack. Buy commercial grade appliances from restaurant supply stores or hotel suppliers. They're built with steel, designed for repair, and last decades. Strategy 2. The repairability score. Check iFixit.com before buying. Only buy devices with a repairability score of 6 or higher. Support companies like Framework Laptops or Fairphone that respect repair rights. Strategy 3. The cost per use math. Do the math before buying. $60 boots divided by 1 year equals $60 per year. $300 boots divided by 10 years equals $30 per year. The $300 boots are actually cheaper long-term. Train your brain to see value beyond the sticker price. The Phoebus Cartel proved that companies can design products to fail, but they only succeed if we keep buying them. Be cautious of low-cost printers with expensive ink cycles. Avoid appliances with plastic gears. Support right-to-repair laws. Invest in quality over quantity. Every time you repair instead of replace, you commit a small act of rebellion against a system designed for waste. I'm curious to hear from you. What's the oldest appliance you own that still works? Have you ever tried to fix a modern device only to find it glued shut? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.